welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to wrap this box with a pattern using the Vanishing Point tool. First, I'm going to create a new layer just above the background. And with the pattern layer open, I'm going to Command A to select all, Command C to copy, go back to the box image, and with the blank layer selected, go to Filter, Vanishing Point. Next, with plane selected, click on a corner of the box, another one, and a third one, which will allow us to map out the fourth corner. You can adjust your grid size. To add a plane to this one, you're going to find the center and hold down Command, click and drag. And now you can adjust these points. We need one more plane here, so I'm going to click on this first plane, click and hold Command, and drag another plane. You're not able to really drag a perspective with this, you noticed. All right, with the pattern selected, I'm going to do a Command V and click and drag this into the box. You can use your free transform tool or Command T. If you need to scale the pattern more, you'll have to find a corner and shift drag. All right, so once you're happy with the placement, go ahead and click OK. And you can do whatever layer style effect you want. And you can see there's a bit of a miss here on the corner. You are able to go back into the vanishing point again. However, you're not really able to adjust this image again. You'll have to recreate the vanishing point again. You can paste back into it. However, you're not able to edit that original paste. Now I'm going to zoom in and I can transform this layer. So I'm going to do Command T and holding down Command, I'm going to slightly shift. And we may need to mask if we want to get really detailed. We need to get our brush tool. To refine. But overall, we've accomplished this pattern wrap using the Vanishing Point tool. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.